to write a script is a big commitment of time and energy, and so an idea really has to strike me, and it's almost like saying, you know, what kind of idea do I want to spend that much time on? What kind of an idea do I want to? What kind of idea do I think will take me through the whole process? Generally speaking, you know, often it'll be like, what movie do I want to go see? You know, what movie do I really want to sit down and watch? And if it's hard for me to think of that idea, you know, to get to be struck by an idea of, oh, I want to see that movie. And so generally what it is it's an idea that kind of hits me, and then it just won't go away. You know, and often I'm insecure enough about ideas that, you know, I don't know, I don't know if I could do that, or maybe that won't work, and it will nag me sometimes over months or years. It'll just keep coming back, and that's an idea usually that I won't that I'll go, well, I guess that's maybe one I should start paying attention to. And I'm never really worried about, oh, I'll forget that idea, because the good ones just keep coming back over and over again. And if an idea just reoccurs, then I go, well, you better start paying attention to that one. And those are the ideas that I think, that the ones that keep coming back and bugging me, as it were, that I start paying attention to, that end up sort of getting written down a little bit at a time, and eventually might become a script.